Our world is a place of constant change. Weather in all its forms is a powerful force. It shapes landscapes and influences life itself. While we are familiar with sunshine, rain, and wind, our planet also produces a breathtaking array of unusual weather phenomena. These events, often strange and beautiful, have captivated humankind for centuries. They remind us of the raw power and mystery that our planet holds. From the ethereal glow of the auroras to the terrifying spectacle of volcanic lightning, these phenomena spark our curiosity. They challenge our understanding of the natural world. In this essay, we will embark on a journey to unveil the secrets behind some of the world's strangest weather events. Prepare to be amazed by the awe-inspiring forces that shape our planet. Let us delve into the heart of these atmospheric wonders. These phenomena, often as beautiful as they are destructive, remind us of the power of nature. They also highlight the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Join me as we explore the science, history, and cultural significance of these captivating events. We will journey from the icy poles to the heart of volcanic landscapes. Together, we will uncover the secrets behind these atmospheric wonders. Let us begin our explorations. The vast arid expanse of the desert holds many secrets. It is a place of stark beauty and harsh realities, where life clings to survival in the most unexpected ways. The desert's silence is often broken by the whispers of the wind, carrying tales of ancient times and forgotten civilizations. Among the most awe-inspiring and formidable phenomena in this unforgiving landscape are giant sandstorms, known as Haboobs. These natural events are both mesmerizing and terrifying, a testament to the raw power of nature. Imagine a towering wall of sand and dust, hundreds of meters high, advancing across the desert landscape. It moves with an unstoppable force, consuming everything in its path. The sheer scale and intensity of a haboob can leave one in awe of nature's might. The air grows dark, the wind howls, and the sun is completely obscured. The day turns into night as the storm envelops the land, creating an eerie and otherworldly atmosphere. The temperature drops suddenly and the world is plunged into a swirling chaos of sand and dust. This is the raw power of a haboob. It is a force of nature that commands respect and caution. Those who have witnessed it firsthand speak of its overwhelming presence and the sense of insignificance it imparts. These colossal storms are born from the intense heat of the desert. The relentless sun beats down on the sand, creating an environment of extreme temperatures. The heat is so intense that it can be felt radiating from the ground, distorting the air with shimmering waves. As the sun beats down on the sand, the air near the surface becomes superheated. This superheated air rises rapidly, creating a powerful updraft that can lift particles of sand and dust high into the atmosphere. This hot air rises rapidly, creating a powerful updraft. The updraft is the engine of the haboob, driving the storm forward with relentless energy. It is a dynamic process that transforms the desert landscape into a moving sea of sand. As the updraft gains momentum, it draws in cooler air from the surrounding area. This interaction between hot and cool air creates a massive rotating system of winds. The winds swirl and twist, picking up loose sand and dust from the desert floor. This creates a massive rotating system of winds that picks up loose sand and dust from the desert floor. The sand and dust are lifted high into the air, forming the towering wall that characterizes a haboob. The storm becomes a living entity, moving with purpose and power. Giant sandstorms can stretch for hundreds of kilometers and travel at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. They move with a speed and intensity that can catch even the most prepared off guard. The sheer scale of these storms is a reminder of the vastness and unpredictability of the desert. They are a force to be reckoned with, capable of stripping paint from cars, burying buildings, and disrupting air travel. The damage they cause can be extensive, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Yet, they are also a part of the natural cycle of the desert, shaping the landscape in profound ways. In some cases, they can even be seen from space. Satellite images capture the vast plumes of dust and sand, highlighting the global reach of these storms. They are not just a local phenomenon, but a part of the Earth's interconnected systems. The Sahara Desert in Africa and the Arabian Peninsula are particularly prone to these colossal dust storms. These regions, with their vast expanses of loose sand and extreme temperatures, provide the perfect conditions for the formation of haboobs. While they may seem like agents of destruction, giant sandstorms play a crucial role in shaping our planet's climate. They are a natural part of the Earth's system, contributing to the distribution of nutrients and the regulation of weather patterns. The dust and sand they carry can travel thousands of kilometers, fertilizing rainforests in South America and influencing weather patterns across the globe. The nutrients in the dust provide essential minerals for plant growth, supporting ecosystems far from the desert. These storms are a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems, even in the most extreme environments. They illustrate how events in one part of the world can have far-reaching impacts, connecting distant regions in a web of ecological and climatic interactions. Few sights in nature can rival the ethereal beauty of the Aurora Borealis. This natural light display, often seen in high-latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic, is a phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries. Also known as the Northern Lights, this celestial display illuminates the night sky with vibrant hues of green, pink, and violet. These colors can vary in intensity and form, creating a unique spectacle each time they appear. Imagine standing beneath a star-studded sky as waves of light dance and shimmer above. The experience is often described as otherworldly, a moment where one feels a deep connection to the universe. The aurora is a truly mesmerizing spectacle. Its dynamic movements and shifting colors can captivate anyone who witnesses it, leaving a lasting impression. But what causes this breathtaking phenomenon? The answer lies in the sun and its constant stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. These particles travel millions of miles through space before reaching Earth. The sun, our closest star, is a massive ball of hot plasma that continuously emits energy and particles. This solar wind is composed mainly of electrons and protons, which are ejected from the sun's outer layer. When these particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they are guided towards the poles. The Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield, protecting us from the full force of the solar wind, but also directing these particles to the polar regions. Here, they interact with gases in the upper atmosphere, causing them to glow. This interaction is a complex process that involves the excitation of atmospheric gases, which then release photons of light. This interaction creates the mesmerizing display of light that we call the aurora. The process is a beautiful example of the interplay between solar and terrestrial forces. The colors of the aurora depend on the type of gas being excited. Different gases emit different colors when they are energized by the incoming solar particles. Green, the most common color, is produced by oxygen molecules. This green light is typically seen at altitudes of around 60 miles above the Earth's surface. Nitrogen produces blue and purple hues, adding to the spectacle's vibrancy. These colors are usually seen at higher altitudes, where the interaction with nitrogen is more prevalent. The intensity and form of the aurora are influenced by solar activity. During periods of high solar activity, such as solar flares or coronal mass ejections, the auroras can become more intense and widespread. During periods of high solar activity, the northern lights can be seen as far south as the United States. This makes the phenomenon accessible to a larger number of people, spreading its wonder far and wide. For centuries, the Aurora Borealis has captivated observers, inspiring myths and legends. Different cultures have their own interpretations and stories about these lights. In Norse mythology, the aurora was believed to be a bridge between the realms of the gods and mortals. The Vikings saw the lights as reflections from the armor of the Valkyries, warrior maidens who chose those who would die in battle. The Inuit people of Greenland saw the lights as the spirits of their ancestors playing ball with a walrus skull. This interpretation highlights the deep spiritual connection many indigenous cultures have with the natural world. Today, the scientific explanation behind the aurora does not diminish its magic. Researchers continue to study this phenomenon to understand more about the interactions between the sun and our planet. Modern technology, such as satellites and ground-based observatories, allows scientists to monitor solar activity and predict auroral displays. This helps in understanding space weather and its impact on Earth. It remains a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the cosmos. The Aurora Borealis is not just a beautiful light show. It is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Imagine looking out your window to witness a downpour unlike any other. The sky is dark and heavy with clouds, and the rain is pouring down in torrents. But something is different, something that makes you look twice. The rain, instead of its usual clear color, falls in shades of red, staining the ground a chilling crimson. Each drop leaves a mark, creating puddles that look like pools of blood. It's a sight that is both mesmerizing and unsettling. This unsettling phenomenon, known as blood rain, has been documented for centuries, often sparking fear and superstition. Ancient texts and illustrations depict people reacting with horror and awe, believing it to be a sign from the gods or an omen of disaster. Despite its name, blood rain is not actually blood falling from the sky. The term blood rain is a poetic description of the rain's appearance, which can be quite dramatic. The reddish hue is caused by microscopic airborne particles, often dust or sand, that are swept up into the atmosphere by strong winds. These particles can travel vast distances, carried by the wind across continents and oceans. These particles, originating from deserts or volcanic eruptions, contain iron oxides which give them their distinctive reddish color. When these particles mix with rain, they tint the water, creating the phenomenon we call blood rain. One of the earliest recorded instances of blood rain occurred in the 1st century AD. Historical texts and ancient manuscripts provide a glimpse into how our ancestors perceived and recorded this strange event. The Roman writer Pliny the Elder described a shower of blood and milk that fell upon the Italian countryside. His writings offer a fascinating insight into how such phenomena were interpreted in ancient times. In more recent times, blood rain has been reported in various parts of the world, including India, Europe, and Africa. Modern technology allows us to document and study these events in greater detail, providing a clearer understanding of their causes. While the scientific explanation behind blood rain is relatively straightforward, it doesn't diminish the phenomenon's eerie beauty. The sight of red rain falling from the sky is a reminder of nature's power and mystery. It serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems, where dust from distant deserts can be carried across continents to create a spectacle that has captivated and unsettled humankind for centuries. The journey of these particles, from their origins to their final destination, is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our world. Each instance of blood rain is a unique event, shaped by the specific conditions of the time and place, and it continues to inspire wonder and curiosity in those who witness it.